Hello everyone. I just wanted to record this video to show everyone what I've been up to in the last 2 weeks. So my so-called roommate moved out of my condo and I've just been working on it. Well, at first it was more like I was working on just like basic maintenance things that just had to get taken care of, like throwing out old stuff that the roommate didn't want and stuff like that. So, basically just kind of cleaning up, and although it doesn't look clean here, you'll see, I'll explain why. But, like all that basic stuff, because I'm for the most part a minimalist, and this project, it will actually reflect that. But basically, yeah, in the last 2 weeks, I've been working on this project, and it feels like it should only take a day, but it takes a lot longer because there's multiple components. Actually, it's taken me about a week and a half so far, or like a week and 4 days or something like that. And I only do this when I'm off of work and during the weekends when I don't have to work, So basically the project was me to replace the 35-year-old cabinet or 40-year-old cabinet. I don't exactly know, but I think it's been here since it was here, so that would be probably 50 years old then. But it was an old cabinet and I never liked it. I wanted to get rid of it for the longest time, and the person that was living here, obviously she didn't want me to do any substantial work, and that was like right next to the TV, so it was like getting in the way. So that wasn't realistic. But this whole time, probably the last 3 years or 4 years, actually 4 years, I just kept thinking, like, when am I going to get rid of this thing? Every time I walk past it, I'm like, I just hate this. And I don't know how else to describe the feeling, but I was really like just itching to remove it, And so here it is. I was showing my face too much. I don't know. I don't know how to switch this. Anyway, so yeah. So far I'm progressing pretty well. The cabinet went from here all the way down probably about 3 feet, maybe 2.5 feet more like. And you can see the outline there. It was all the way over here, and I removed it. And so basically my kitchen looks like a construction zone. And I just tested these pendant lights now, because this is essentially what it is. It's a replacement of the cabinet. And basically, yeah, so these pendant lights were actually pretty cheap. I would say, yeah, so they were only about $60 a piece. Not too bad. Origin 21. And for those of you who are actually interested in doing this project, I am not sure, but I'm going to find out tomorrow whether the wiring used for it is aluminum or copper, because it's pretty damn important. Most of your wiring your electrical wiring is gonna be copper. Take that with a grain of salt, but I don't know. That's just what I see all the time, what you probably see all the time, copper wiring. So be careful with that. But yeah, I would say the electrical part. So I did a lot of stuff here in the electrical part. This is the switch for it. So I had to install that. I went from 2 gang to 3 gang. I did a lot of work for this. I had to fish the wires, the yellow wire that you see all the way through. And I had to install this drywall, which I have yet to tape. I'm going to tape it when I'm done taping this, So it was, and then I had to replace that ductwork, because it was actually, I'll even show you what it used to be. So it used to be this. So it used to come out from on top here, and then it came out through two registers. So it was kind of not very, well, it was not bad, but it was just too clunky, it was too much. And all that cabinet was just taking up so much space. Now it's more of a minimalist, modern kind of feel. It just feels like there's more room. So, and then, yeah, so that's what I've been up to. And I'm just like, when I finish these projects, I'm like, I get hungry and stuff like that, and so I don't go after too much carbs. I still try to go keto, but I'll slip in a beer every once in a while, maybe every like 2 weeks ago or whatever. So, but that was, yeah. So this is what I've been doing, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of it's a lot of work, and yeah. So I'm about to go taping, but like I just stay positive, you know, keeping in mind the leadership principles, and you know, I know that you got to go from A to Z, and it's just you taking your time to get there, you know. And that goes for everything: weight loss, renovations, getting your professional engineering license, your structural engineering. Well, dare I say structural engineering license, because I don't have it yet. That's another lifetime, perhaps. But yeah, it's just wanted to throw that out there. So yeah, wish me luck for the rest of this project. I have yet to, if you're, you know, if you're supporting me, I have yet to put, you know, the drywall there. I mean, sorry, the compound on there. So I'm gonna tape it, and I don't know if you're interested, but there's something called a corner bead, and now I see why you would want to use these, because it looks pretty ugly. You know, those seams look pretty ugly. So for example, if I put this on here and I go ahead and nail it with drywall nails, boom, it looks a lot better. And you just slather it on with all-purpose, or I should say probably taping, all-purpose drywall compound, and it's like a sleek design, you know. So just thought I would show that. Thanks for watching.